The following video provides information about Charles River Analytics fNIRS sensor and human state assessment applications, which are just one component of our integrated hardware and software human performance solution suite. For more information, see the PDF brochures in our virtual booth.
fNIRS has been around for decades, but the reason that we developed our sensor is because when we started working on our human state assessment projects, nothing this small existed. Everything was full head, you had wires hanging off the back, and we wanted to go out and assess human states in situations where people were going about their regular training activities. So situations like a simulation center in a hospital where people are working on mannequins, or they're out in a field, running around the woods, clearing patients out of the way. So we developed this much smaller, more portable sensor that would fit into standard issue gear like a surgeon's cap or a helmet. So right now we have a new project where we're looking at pilots in flight simulators to look at how look at their human state, so their cognitive burden or their awareness while they're handling a new aircraft. And we're trying to correlate those quantitative measures, so our fNIRS, with their subjective ratings of which aircraft were more difficult or less difficult to handle. So this allows us to do things like take this into testing and evaluation labs. They're designing new methods of display, new cockpit designs, and testing which one is better before they put millions of dollars into developing them. So they'll have people practice with them and then ask them how difficult it was. We want to allow them also to look at a quantitative measure of their state and then pick a winner and say this one is clearly better. It's either less burdensome or more burdensome depending on, if they're bored or overloaded, and then that's the one that they develop further. Another place I think that this could go is in the classroom or in tutoring. So you can look at the state of the students in your class, especially if you have a very large class of students, and say, this person's paying attention, this person didn't understand what I just taught, we need to go back, that person over there is bored, so I need to move on more quickly. So any situation in which assessing the cognitive burden of the individual or the awareness or the fatigue of the individual is a situation that fNIRS could be used to help that person with their job.